Okay guys, here's a little review about multiplying monomials. That's what you're going to be doing today. Make sure if you have an equation like this, if you have an equation like this, okay, all you're going to be doing is adding those exponents. When you're multiplying terms like this, b to the third times b to the fourth, okay, just add those exponents. So this really becomes b to the seventh. All I'm doing is adding 3 plus 4. That's it. Okay, something like x squared times x. Add the exponents. Okay, x to the third. Alright. Make sure if you have something like this where there's a number in front and a coefficient, remember, we're still multiplying the numbers. 3 times 2. Okay? And then we are still adding those exponents. When we're multiplying those variables, add those exponents up here. Okay? Still multiplying this though. This becomes 6, x to the fifth. Alright? Also, if something's being raised to an exponent like this, it's being raised, it's being to the third power. Instead of adding those exponents, we're now going to multiply. Okay, so this really becomes 2 times 3. That's going to give me x to the 6. Okay, same thing over here. If you had y to the fifth raised to the third, okay, that thing's being raised, that power. So multiply that out. 5 times 3 is going to give me 15. Okay, multiply, multiply, multiply when it's being raised. Okay. Something you'll see a lot when doing these, you'll see shapes. Okay. They might give you something like this. Let's say we want to express the area of this figure. Well, how do you figure out the area of a rectangle? What's that equation? Length times width, right? Same thing here. X to the 10th is my width. X to the 4th is my length. Just multiply those out. So if I write an expression to express it, if I want to simplify it, just multiply that out. You actually end up with, now we're multiplying these terms. So you actually are adding them, so it becomes x to the 14th. Okay?